quick auto parallel park video for everyone here today. We are testing this out in live traffic, and it's not too busy out right now, but we're going to see how the car actually handles itself in this parallel park situation. If it's able to do it, it's a pretty tight spot, not extremely tight, but as you can see, it's getting pretty close to that car in front of me. But somehow it figured it out. Let's hope it doesn't hit that curb. And it didn't. It did not hit the curb, actually. It did a really good job there. Check this out. And then it reverses. And overall, actually, under a minute, I think that was pretty much as good as it gets. It did it better than a lot of people could. Some people would not even attempt that spot. And overall, that was a 10 out of 10 park job. I think that was great. I would use that all the time if someone was unable to do it. That's just like a freebie right there. So yeah, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think about Tesla's parallel parking. It also does reverse parking, so with a touch of a button you can get pretty much perfect parking every time. And yeah, just like that. Let me know what you think, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Hit that like button and subscribe for more.